All right, let's dive into a piece of tech that is about to solve one of the biggest, most frustrating problems in AI video: character consistency. We're talking about a concept called CharaConsist, and believe me, it's part of a revolution that could seriously give you hours of your life back.
And hey, before we get into it, if you want to stay on the cutting edge of tech just like this, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for @BrandTechOff right now. You are not going to want to miss what's coming up next.
So let me just ask you this. What if you could save hours on every single video you make? For any creator out there, that's not just nice, that's a total game changer. And that is exactly the promise we're going to unpack today. So why is saving time so incredibly important right now? Well, it's because every single one of us is trapped in what feels like a content creation arms race. It's relentless. I mean, the amount of content out there is just staggering, right? And the number one challenge, the thing that probably keeps you up at night, is figuring out how to not just grab someone's attention, but to actually hold it when they're just a single swipe away from the next thing. And to put this into perspective, the video editing software market is on track to be worth over $12 billion by 2027. That's a huge number, and it represents all the time, all the money, and all the energy we are all pouring into this, just trying to stand out. So how can AI start to give us that precious time back? Well, it all starts with the rhythm of your edit. Welcome to the rhythm revolution, where you let the AI find the beat for you. So what is beat synced editing? You know it when you see it. It's that secret sauce that makes a video feel alive, electric. It's when the cuts, the transitions, the effects, everything lands perfectly on the beat of the music. And it makes sense that over 70% of viewers actually prefer it. It just feels satisfying. And the difference between the old way and the new way is just night and day. You know the old way, right? That painful manual grind, just scrubbing your timeline over and over, trying to find every single beat. The new way? The AI does it for you, instantly, and with perfect precision. So how does it actually pull this off? It's really just a simple 4-step process. First, the AI scans the entire audio track. Then it starts detecting all the important patterns, not just the obvious kick and snare. After that, it literally drops markers right onto your timeline for you. And the best part, it even suggests the most dynamic places to make your cuts. All that tedious work is just gone. Okay, so our rhythm is locked in. Now we can finally tackle the main event: CharaConsist. This is basically the holy grail for AI video right now, making sure your character looks perfectly consistent from one shot to the very next. Now, to really get how AI is solving this, you kind of have to think like a cinematographer. This quote really says it all. The camera is your audience's eyes. The way it moves, the way it frames a shot, that directly shapes how the audience feels. And the big breakthrough here is that AI is finally learning that visual language. And you should think of this less as one single tool and more like assembling your own AI creative team. You've got specialists for different jobs. Runway's Gen 4, it's incredible for that cinematic quality and just nailing character consistency. Need dynamic action shots? PixFirst gives you amazing control over motion and the lens. And for absolute precision, Alibaba's model gives you control from the first frame to the last. You get to pick the right specialist for the job. So the AI can keep the look of your character consistent. That's huge. But that's only half the battle, right? What about the actual character, the human performance that makes them interesting? Because we have to remember, this tech is an amazing tool, but it's not a replacement for a great performance. Even the most perfectly consistent AI character needs a real, compelling human element to build on. So whether you're working on projecting confidence, mastering your best angles, or just being authentic, that's the foundation the AI is going to build upon. Okay, so we've got our rhythm, we've got our consistent character. Now let's talk about that final polish. Let's talk about how AI can take footage that you thought was totally unusable and make it absolutely brilliant. This is the magic of AI upscaling. See, old software would just stretch the pixels and you'd get a blurry, blocky mess. AI is completely different. It's been trained on millions of hours of video, so it doesn't just make the image bigger, it intelligently rebuilds it. It adds in details that weren't there and sharpens motion, frame by painstaking frame. And the results, they speak for themselves. You can take an old pixelated clip that's been sitting on a hard drive and have the AI transform it into something that looks like it was shot in beautiful, crisp 4K. It's literally rescuing your old footage.
And this brings us all the way back to that original promise. When you put it all together, the AI beat detection, the consistent character generation, the automated upscaling, what you get is over 5 hours back every single week. That's not just saved time, that's creative energy you can now pour into your next big idea instead of just getting burned out on the boring stuff.
So where is all of this going? Let's take a peek into the very near future. Because it's time for you to meet your new creative partner, the AI director.
And this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. Tools like RealMind's Nolan are being built to act as an intelligent co-pilot for creators. They don't just follow your commands, they offer creative suggestions on scene composition, on narrative structure, even on cinematography. It's not just a tool anymore, it's a collaborator. Which leaves us with one last, really fascinating question. When all the most tedious, time-consuming parts of creating a video are automated, and your co-pilot is a powerful AI that can assist and suggest and create alongside you, what kind of story will you finally have the time and the energy to direct?